Welcome back, guys. It's Todd from Greenpointe. Today I wanted to share a sanding tip with you. When you sand your floors, you have the big machine that does the body of the room, and then you've got your edger, which is a circular machine that goes around the edges of the floor. Well, it's a round sander, so all the square corners, there's an area that machine doesn't get. All around your door casings, those are the areas that sometimes people just skip and go ahead and finish. And you know what? They stand out and they don't look good. So here's a little tip that makes you take your floor to the next level. A simple scraper. This is a little Stanley one. We sell these here at Greenpointe. Very inexpensive, like less than 10 bucks. It's got a blade. You can remove this screw and turn the blade around. So you actually have two sides to this blade. So it'll last you quite a few floors. But the key is when you take this scraper out, you're going to have this old finish and this height difference where you edged, and there's this area that you weren't able to get with the edger. You need to have it extremely sharp. So when you first open it, it's usually sharp enough to get about half a corner, and then it's time to sharpen it again. You'll get some nice good wood shavings at first, and then it'll start to squeak and just sort of skip over the top of the floor. So that's when you get out your handy file. So again, these are inexpensive, available here at Greenpointe or any paint store. Take a good file, and then I find a 5-gallon bucket works. It's at a good height. So take a 5-gallon bucket so you can put some weight on this scraper. And then you're going to take your file and look at the angle on that scraper blade. You can see the angle there, and follow it down with your file. And you want to hear a good, sound of that shaving the metal and sharpening it. Do 3 or 4 strokes, feel it, and you'll feel that it's very sharp. Go back and scrape out that corner, and you'll get your nice wood shavings again. It's the easiest way and the fastest way I've found after doing floors for many, many years to get corners looking like a professional. Thanks so much for watching.